All right, YouTube, we back again. So today we at the Arizona Auto Show. Now I don't know what's in here, but I think it's a whole bunch of brand new cars, like all 2025s, 26s, stuff like that. So I'm giving y'all a little downtown intro so y'all can see what our downtown might look like. So if you flying over the city, this the convention center right here. So if you got a concert, stuff like that, that's where they do this stuff at. I'm right here on 3rd Street in Monroe. It's a Sheraton Hotel right there. Nice down here. Plenty skyscrapers. You know, big city life. So y'all see it. Let me take y'all through a walkthrough, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I actually get in the show, because yeah, I don't know what's in here. So far, I see they got some test drives for these brand new Ford trucks. If you're a Ford lover, that might be for you. So I don't want to talk bad about them, but if you're a Ford lover, that's for you. It's clean though. This the new Explorer right here, right? This the new Explorer?
This is the new Expedition.
Expedition, big one. Platinum too. Man, that thing kind of sexy in there. Chef Doodle. Yeah, let me get a door pop real quick. Let me just get a little sneak peek. Y'all test driving tonight? Y'all was doing test drives earlier, huh?
Yeah,
Damn.
So, we'll be back tomorrow if you want to join, man. We do 10 to 5 around here.
Okay. I'm about to go on the show. Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance? Down there somewhere?
Yeah, right down. You'll see the double doors. You can head right in.
Damn, look at that roof. Woo. That's a triple sunroof right there. All right. Platinum, huh? 18 miles a gallon. 22 highway. Okay. Thank you, man. This that electric joint right here. I know this that electric joint F-150. It's called a F-150 Flash. It's clean. If you like electric cars, oh my bad, F-150 Lightning. So if you like electric cars, you know, that might be for you. Then they got the Ford XLT, little small truck, 4-door. They go to 2 Broncos. So that's what's up. So yeah, I was just giving y'all a quick little walkthrough. I'm glad dude popped that dough for me. Thank you, man, to the Ford dealership for that. Appreciate that. Yeah, this the new Bronco right here. Y'all like Fords, man. Let's get to the show though. I'll cut y'all back on. All right, y'all. The escalator broke on me, so that's how it's closed. I gotta walk down the steps, but it's all good. I guess that the show is like just freestyle. Like it's just they go Lamborghini Urus, a Maserati truck. It's all type of stuff there. I'm trying not to mess up my white shoes, y'all. I'm in here fresh. Oh, so the show is really back here behind this. Okay, so this is just like a preview section. Test drives. There go a Polar Star car. This is the hall. This is the hall, y'all. So look, a Ferrari truck or a Ferrari SUV, whatever that is. That's gorgeous. Damn, that's a nice Ferrari. And it's a 4-door. That's gorgeous. Wow, and it's tinted out. Look at that paint. You could tell that's a factory. Oh, with the carbon fiber. Y'all see the little details? I can't get too close because I don't want to reach over and have to pay for that shit. But look at this. A Lamborghini Urus. It's an Aston Martin over here. I'm gonna have to take some pictures before I go in the show, actually, just so I can get a thumbnail somewhere, right? There go a Bentley, 2-door Bentley. Excuse me. He said he don't need no friends. I know that's right. Oh my God, look at them headlights. Oh, it's got a little camera in the front, little sensor thing in the front. That's cool. Look, Aston Martin. You barely see these. You know, these is overseas cars, the Aston Martins. Yeah, that's the Austin Powers right there. I'm not impressed with these Maserati trucks. I don't know what to say, but something about Maseratis don't strike me. I don't know what it is, but they just don't hit for me. They cool. But I think what it is for real, y'all, like the value of them is so bad because after you buy a Maserati, it goes down like 50% or something crazy. Like Maseratis don't hold no value, so I think I never liked them. I never liked the style for real. They cool, but the Bentleys and the Aston Martins and the Lambo, stuff like that, you know, stuff that hold value, you know. So, all right, y'all, I'm gonna cut y'all on again when I get in the show, cause now I gotta pay for my ticket. But y'all see it, Phoenix International Show, $20 to get in, 15 really, but then after tax it's like $20. So let me go pay for my ticket and I'll cut y'all back on. This is gorgeous. Only $300,000, huh? Not bad. $300,000, huh? So a house on wheels, huh? Okay. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna stick with my Hondas and Chevys. I'm gonna get my money's worth. Yeah, this Rari nice though. I ain't lying. This Rari gorgeous. But for $300,000. Okay, YouTube. So look, I just had a thought go off in my head. Like, I'm showing y'all these cars, not only for the content, but these are the cars of our future. So I'm 30 years old. So this car is a 2026 Kia Sorento hybrid. I currently, right now, as y'all know on YouTube, I currently own a Kia Sorento. So mine's is a 2012. This is a 2026. So now I have to get interested in the fact that I have a Kia. This is the Kia family brand of cars. Like, that's why I'm just showing y'all all of this. These are nice, like nice family cars. Here go the Fords, the Cadillacs over here, the Chevys. I'm just walking y'all through. Like, I'm gonna talk a little bit, but I ain't gonna talk the whole video. I'm gonna just really like just record for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because there's not much that I can tell y'all. You know, they brand new cars, 2026s, 2027s in here right now. So there's nothing I could tell y'all. It's not like I know about them. Look at this Cadillac, 26 miles a gallon, CTS. 22 highway, no, 31 highway, 22 city. Y'all know I love my Lacs, man. Y'all know I love my Cadillac. So who's not to say when I get older, this will be something for me. You know what I mean? These are our cars of the future. I'm gonna be 70 years old with a 2026 Cadillac. You feel me? So that's why I said I was just wanted to put that thought in y'all head. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. I'm gonna just walk y'all through. I just really wanted y'all to see that. I mean, it's family friendly. A lot of families in here right now. I go to a Corvette family, a whole bunch of old school Corvettes in here, new Corvettes, all of them. Wow. So yeah, let me keep walking y'all around. We're gonna get to it. Oh no, oh no. Rivieras, those stopped in like 1969, something like that, 67, 68, 69. Yeah, they don't make, yeah, they been stopped making those. Yeah, so if you get a Rivy, you got some money on your hands. Cause you can sell it for, I don't know what, you can sell it though. Cause a Riviera always gonna sell. Just doing a little walk through this little Mustang section. 5.0 Coyote. Houston. Rockets. Yeah. He was just with us. He was with us first, and then they just traded him to Houston for like 2 players. Nah, he played for the Rockets, bro. Yeah, he played for the Houston Rockets. Dallas is the Mavericks. No, he was with Phoenix last. He was over here with us. And then they traded Kevin Durant for Dylan Brooks. Oh, Anthony, yeah, he with Dallas. Yeah, he played with Dallas. Yeah, he played with Dallas. Yeah. Look at this. Dumb clean. Now we in my section, y'all. Welcome to the G-Body Lowrider section. This the West Coast right here. This a Regal. Look at how clean it is. Purple with the pearl in the paint. This car is gorgeous. Look at the frame. Frame done and all. Look at that. This car is gorgeous. And you got your other lowriders with the switches. Arizona cars, the car club cars. Y'all see it. Impalas. Another Impala. Monte Carlo. You can tell this is a street car. He got some fluid leaking from the rear end. I see some fluid leaking. That's all right. A couple little seals are fixed up. Oh yeah. I see it though. See, that's the good thing about Arizona, y'all. Y'all come out here, you're gonna get a little bit of everything, man. You ain't gonna never get one type of car show, one type of culture. You're gonna get a mixed bag of tricks out here, man. That's what I like. I like diversity, man. So I'm just giving y'all a quick little rundown real fast. We're gonna walk through these little cars. It's a nice little section back here. Look at the paint on that one. Well, can you imagine how much they spend on paint? That shit is crazy. You got the Chevelles over here. Here go the SS's right here. I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me finish walking. Bam! Look at that Camaro. That's a real Camaro right there. That's when America was great. The 67, 68, 69 Camaros. Yeah. Oh, that's when America was great, wasn't it? Pull up in that nice Camaro, get you a burger and a milkshake for $1.50. Oh yeah. Chevelle. Big block, 454. Nasty. You know it's nasty when he cranked this up. I'm already knowing. See. When you get your money right, you can put your cars in shows like these. Like, yeah, I want to put my car in that show. I want to register. And that's one of my goals, man. I should have something in this show next year. Something. It don't gotta be perfect, but I want something in these type of shows, and I can register and bring it down here. So yeah, y'all lay around, man. We still working. Cause you know it's on them switches. He took the wheels off, you see? And the frame done. He took it off the frame. Frame done and everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The frame is powder coated. You see the frame getting powder coat purple? When you zoom in on the back, you see that purple? He took it off the frame. He took this whole car apart. That's how you know, boy. Look at that paint just flipping. God damn. My boy spent a bag. Yeah, he woke up and had an idea. That's what that is. He woke up and said, I know what I want. It's not fast, but it is pretty. 190 horsepower. It ain't fast, but it's pretty. That's one thing I will say. Because 190 horsepower is nothing. Like, I mean nothing. But it's got all the electronics. It's got all the, like, just everything all in it. The sunroof is crazy. I don't know what to call that. That's like a... panoramic. Yeah, that's something else. That's it. That's crazy.
I love it. You try to talk